Welcome back to Customer States. Today we take a look at the worst mechanical nightmares of all time. This customer brought their vehicle in after fabricating their own exhaust, using literal chains to hold the exhaust in place.
I ain't gonna lie, I ain't seen it this bad. Whole bunch of exhaust putty, the chain. By the way, the chain is keeping up the exhaust. Cut O2 sensor, there's the wires. Toyota. Got a 90-degree angle here. Goes into a 45. Then we're on to the chimney. I don't even understand this. I mean, like, how's it not leaking out? I mean, no way to keep that sealed. Up and over the cross member. Then we come over here to the Chrysler.
This customer brought their truck in stating that the truck sways to one side on the motorway, especially when going over 70 miles per hour. Mechanics suggest the cradle isn't connected.
This is lifted straight, by the way. I don't know if you can tell, but that cradle's kind of falling out here. We got that going on there, and then we come to this side, we got that going on there. Oh no. And then we got going back here, we got that going on there, and then we come over here, and we got up here, we got those over there, and then we come down here. And what we got here, we got that guy there. And get the f out of there. Then we go over here, we get that guy over there. Then we come up over here, and we get, oh, that's the lift point. She's good, she's solid stuff. Got that guy over there, and then we got this guy here. Just pull that down there, and she's f***ing mint.
This customer brought their car in due to a misfire and wanted to know why.
So it seems that these ignition coils here, they've been taking swimming lessons. Yeah. 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 Wow. Can't even can't even see the plug in that one anymore. Or that one. Wow, that's about as bad as I've ever seen.
This customer brought their car in stating that their car is always overheating and wanted a cheap oil change to fix the issue.
Oh yeah. Oh! Oh no! Oh, it's getting everywhere. Oh no! Oh god! Oh god! Oh. Wow. Oh, there's oil. Hey! Oh god. Oh god.
This customer brought their Toyota Camry in, stating that their vehicle would make noises when braking and turning. Mechanics suggest using lug bolts on the wheels.
2020 Camry Hybrid. Customer complaint making noises while braking and turning. This was just sitting behind the wheel cover when it pulled off. Every frickin' lug nut is backwards. Walmart, you suck.
This customer brought their moped in after using JB Weld to stop a hole in the case.
Honda Metropolitan 50. A little bit of JB Weld here on the case. Yeah, look at that. Oh yeah. Sealing nice and good there, bud. Another problem. That's the engine oil drain plug. So, yeah, and I have to do an oil change. So, guess I'm gonna have to Get creative.
This customer brought their pickup truck in stating that they have trouble braking on the motorway and want to know why.
2010 F350. Customer states, no brakes. Yeah, I think you got that right on the money, bud. Yep, no brakes.
This customer brought their Honda in stating that there may be an electrical issue as the car turns itself on and off several hundred times a day. This customer brought their vehicle in stating that their vehicle sways a lot on the motorway and going over bumps at high speeds. This customer brought their car in due to a misfire and wanted to know why.
I have a 5/8 spark plug socket with a 2004 Mercury Grand Marquis, and as you can see, I can get it in. It's all fine, but as soon as I get to number 7, it's like it doesn't want to grip. And when you look at the spark plug, there's no way that's a 13/16. So this is a 5/8. That has to be a 5/8 too. So I don't know what is going on with it, but yeah.
This customer brought their car in stating that they haven't changed their oil in 100,000 miles and didn't realize they needed to. This customer brought their car in stating that they were losing a lot of oil and also had a smoking issue and wanted to know why. This customer brought their car in stating that they could smell exhaust fumes and wanted to know why. This customer brought their car in stating that they were leaking air in their tires and wanted a cheap patch fix.
Alright, so here's the first for me. You see there's 4 in this tire there. As we come around, there's 5, 6, 7. That's all that's in that one. That's one tire. Then you have this one here. There's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 10 nails in this tire. What's the chances of having both rear tires and not the front tires with leaks or nails, that many nails in it?
This customer brought their car in due to a smoking issue and wanted to know why. This customer brought their car in stating that their brakes weren't working very well and wanted to know why.
Jesus fucking Christ.
This customer brought their car in stating that they had a loud noise in the rear of the vehicle ever since towing twice the rated capacity. This customer brought their car in stating that they have to fill their car up with water every day and wanted to know why. This customer brought their car in stating that their engine tries to fall out of the vehicle upon acceleration.
Hey guys, got a question. Should I be able to do this? Oh. Is that normal? Huh? Rockabye baby in the engine bay.
This customer brought their vehicle in for a cheap service and wasn't interested on being upsold on any additional work. This customer brought their vehicle in stating that the car has a wobble when on the motorway and traveling at 70 miles per hour. This customer brought their vehicle in stating that their vehicle continues running even after you remove the key and wants to know how to turn the car off. This mechanic installed a new starter motor and is having a little electrical issues after the install.
Okay, new starter's there. I put in the starter wire here, and now it's connected there. Basically, when I installed it, I took out the entire air filter as well as the cruise control. At the moment, whenever I put in the negative terminal to turn on the battery, this is going to spark, so I'm going to look away. I don't have a thing on. That makes the whirring noise.
This customer brought their vehicle in complaining of poor braking power. Mechanic suggests there is literally no rotor.
So this customer came in for 2 tires. Vehicle was towed in. There's no rotor on there.
This customer brought their vehicle in complaining about a transmission leak and wanted to know why.
2008 Pontiac Grand Prix. Customer states transmission leak. Well, one other side is coated with transmission fluid. What is that? Dude, that is... That's factory, man. That's factory, right? There is a hole in your transmission, dog. That ain't right. That's not right.
This customer brought their vehicle in complaining about an oil leak around the oil filter housing.
Go ahead. Yeah.
I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more mechanical nightmares.